Yesterday on Instagram, we posted seeing if there's anyone in Chicago who'd want to help us out for a video. Erin here responded, and we're gonna take some portraits of her, and on Instagram, we're gonna post and let you decide where we go, what kind of lens we use, etc. So let's go ahead and see how this turns out.
All right.
Let's go take some photos.
Started.
Erin. Okay, Erin, just stand right here. Yeah, maybe, yeah, that's good. Okay. Yeah, can you take this? Okay, just look straight at me like that, that's great. Cool. Yeah, just go ahead and just look at me. You can be like straight face right in the camera. Eric, if you would have gotten cold coffee, you could have already drank it by now. We wouldn't have to carry it.
Okay, I'm gonna give this back. Maybe hold it by this. Just put it with your eyes through there. Yeah.
You know, like what you normally do with your grocery bag.
Totally regular. I was just thinking of like leaning out might be cool somewhere.
We're having a premium Skillshare membership. That means unlimited access to all the classes and communities.
Classes like bringing a 3D object into live action footage.
And how to document people and places authentically.
And much, much more.
There's over 7 million creators already learning with Skillshare. An annual subscription is less than $10 a month.
Over 25,000 classes on photography, design, business, and more.
Click the link in the description to get started.
is dangerous. All right, look a little more serious if you can. Like, that's good. Thanks so much for Erin for helping us out with this video. Check out her Instagram below. Like this video and subscribe if you haven't yet, and comment and let us know which location was your favorite. We'll see you in the next one.